Welcome back to John Cleese Car Audio. My name is Connor. This is a little video showing you a solution product we've done on this Skoda Superb. Customer found the old radio very boring. It was an old Columbus radio. There's actually nothing wrong with this one, which makes it surprising because they usually suffer from touchscreen faults and software faults, but this one was all right. Customer just wanted Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, DAB radio, and basically every modern technology you'd have in a 2024 car. Now, without further ado, let's actually show you what we've done. This is the Kenwood DMX 8021, cracking unit, 3-year warranty when we fit it. This is it installed with a flush fit, matching matte black fascia, which fits perfectly in this interior. To get the Bluetooth, we fit a microphone up here. This is the Kenwood microphone. It just works better with this microphone. You could try and hide it behind this original panel, but you're never going to get the voice call quality you would have as if it was there. DAB aerial is this one mounted on the windscreen. Subtle aerial, but picks up radio reception really nice. We've gone a little bit step further with this in terms of integration. Steering wheel controls all work. Customer's actually got his heater controls appearing on the screen as well, and that's actually on the home screen, so the customer can scroll across and actually have the climate control, and as you adjust the temperature down here, you'll actually get the display of the heater controls actually on the screen, which is nice. Because it's got optical parking sensors, when you put it in reverse, customer's going to get the parking sensor appear on the display as well, showing how close he is via the indication bubbles down the bottom and the front. So it's a proper fully integrated bit of kit which makes it work just like factory. Absolutely stunning position, stunning unit in here. Now I'm going to show you how to connect your phone up. Very simple. If you had Apple or Android, you just touch the telephone button here, it'll make it visible, and all you do is you go into settings on your phone, go to Bluetooth, wait for the unit to appear, which is there. And there we have it, all connected. That's the customer's phone who's standing outside connected rather than this phone. Didn't realise he was standing so close to the car. My phone's not connected, his phone is. So now I can scroll across and you've got your navigation apps, music apps, and everything on the screen that you'd ever want. You can even move this from the left over to the right. It's quite simple to do that. Go settings, go AV, and then you've got driving position. You can change it to left or right. Simple as that. If you like what you see, you know what to do. Give John Cleese Car Audio a call or subscribe to our channel. But for now, that's Connor from John Cleese signing off. See you later.